Great. So my name is Dr. Kamal Doel. I am currently practicing family medicine in Maryland. I graduated from Xavier in 2013. So I chose Xavier initially actually as a recommendation from a family member. I think they're from New York, and so they knew some of the people who originally formed Xavier. And they had been to Aruba, so they knew the island, and they knew that it would be a safe place for their family member to go and to live on their own. I currently practice family medicine, so seeing everywhere from pediatrics all the way to my elderly patients. I work with Johns Hopkins Community Physicians, and I've been working in Rockville, Maryland for 4 years. Xavier, when I was here on the island with their Student Government Association, I became involved with that. The ability to participate in the health fairs here on the island so that we could start to get some of that clinical knowledge and a bit of that leadership knowledge as well. They really put a lot of effort into their clinical rotations, so making sure that we're associated with some good hospitals where we can get hands-on experience when we are going through our rotations and really getting the full spectrum of care, both for our cores as well as our elective rotations. I did all of them in Chicago, Illinois. So they helped with the placement for all of the rotations. After I completed my Step 1 exam, they were the ones that helped to arrange the locations as well as the dates. So they were able to efficiently get me placed within the same city for all of my core rotations, and then as well as my electives back to back, so I was able to complete everything quickly and effectively. I definitely, especially for those that are getting ready to go into clinical rotations, preparing themselves to apply for residency, that firsthand knowledge from people who were in their shoes and being able to give that experience of this is what worked well for me, this is what I saw worked well for other people that matched and did well and succeeded. Having that kind of information is invaluable, having that connection that people that you know have succeeded, and so you can feel good about putting yourself out there and knowing that you have a good chance to do well. Xavier University, I would say if I had the opportunity to do it again, I would probably take the exact same course. Seeing how much the school has improved and how much they've expanded, even while I was here on the island, and definitely now after I've been back almost 10 years later, there's huge plans for improvement. The faculty have been great as far as being supportive and still remember who you are, and so that personal connection is a big part of it, and I feel like I would recommend any of my family members or friends to come over to the school as well, because they really work hard to get you connected to the right people to succeed in whatever field you want to go into.